That ad took me under 5 minutes and 1 product link. Here's exactly how I made it, start to finish. Most people think creating AI ads is complicated. They think you need scripts, editing software, product footage, creators, voiceovers, and a full production process just to make one decent ad. But with one single AI tool, you can go from one product link to a finished video just by talking to the AI. So the reason this matters is a lot of people overcomplicate AI ads. They think they need to understand every tool, every node, every prompt, every workflow, and every editing step before they can make anything useful. But for most brands, agencies, and ecom businesses, the goal is very simple. You need ads you can actually test. You need product videos, you need different hooks, you need a clear message, and you need something that looks good enough to launch. And you need it fast. The problem is traditional video ad productions are very slow. You have to write the scripts, find assets, edit the video, record or generate the voiceover, add some captions, format everything, and then export it. That can take hours or even days. Today I'll be using Creatify's agent, which makes the process much simpler. You give it one product link, tell it what you want, and it builds the ad for you. I'm gonna show you the exact workflow from start to finish. So for this demo, I'm starting with one product link. That's it. No uploaded footage, no creator, no production team, no edit and timeline, just one product link and one agent. All right, so now the first step, it's gonna come here to the agent and making sure we select workflow. We're gonna be using this prompt for our dog product today. We wanna make sure that we are as specific as we wanna be. And for this example, I kept it very simple. I said, create a short video ad for this product, make it feel like a clean e-commerce ad, comma, lead with a strong hook, explain the benefits, show the product clearly, and end with the simple call to action. Here's the link. All right, so we're gonna go and hit generate. It's gonna think for a couple seconds. All right, so it gave us everything that we were looking for. The product range, so CTA, the hook, and some really cool calling points, which are gonna be the ingredients. So once we're ready, we can also ask how many credits will this use? All right, so it tells us that it's using the Clink 3.0 Pro to run, which is gonna be about 1.4 credits per second. It's gonna be a 40-second video, and this is gonna be 63 credits. So it gives us the option that we can downgrade the video using another video model, which is Seedance. I always encourage you guys to do this because if you just let the AI do its work, it's gonna use a lot of credits. Make sure that you always ask how many credits it's gonna use, and if it's a lot for you, you can ask to make the video shorter or to use another system. All right, so we're just gonna say reduce cost by switching to Seedance and making the video a bit shorter. We're gonna hit submit, and now it's gonna start thinking, and I'll be right back as soon as it's ready. And again, it doesn't tell us its credits, so we're gonna ask again, how many credits will this use? We're gonna ask. All right, so it's breaking everything down. It says that it's gonna be closer to 28 to 42 credits. It's a very, very solid. Once it finishes, we're gonna confirm and go ahead and build it. All right, so we just hit confirmed, and it's gonna build it right now. We'll give it a couple seconds, and I'll be right back as soon as it's done. This is what makes it super beginner friendly. You don't have to just understand every technical step to get started. You can just talk to the agent and let it create the first version for you. And once the first version is done, I'll review it, adjust anything I don't like, and make it a lot better. And I'll do it in just 1 second so you can take a look. And now we have a finished video ad that can be reviewed, edited, and tested. So let's take a look at it.
50% fresh white fish. No fillers, no nasties. Just real food for your dog's sensitive tummy.
Human-grade ingredients, prebiotics and omega-3 salmon oil. Grain-free, vet-approved, and made with love in the UK. Happy tummies, wagging tails. Try tummy loving care today, link in bio.
Wow, this is pretty good. So the main things I'm looking at here are, does the hook make sense? Is the product clear? Is the benefit easy to understand? Does the pacing feel fast enough? And does the CTA feel natural? And does the ad feel good enough to test? That's the real goal, not perfection on the first version, a usable video that you can quickly create and improve from there. So once we have the videos finalized and ready to go, we can download all of the videos. And once we have them downloaded, you can use those for your ads. And now one final thing I found out about this tool is that you don't have to start from scratch running the entire operation. So for example, I wanted to take the dialogue out with just music, and here's how it sounds. So we did that just by typing in on the AI, we just wanted to remove the dialogue and we just wanted some music. So you don't have to start from scratch to do some tweaks and small changes to it. You can always go here and change the size, change what you're looking for. You can change the description. And then here it's gonna tell you how many credits you're gonna use. And then with the arrow, you give the direction to submit. Same thing with here. If you wanna change this section of the video, you just come down here and you can make it a little bit different as well, right? Same thing with this image. If you want to change it, you want to make it a little bit smaller, make it a little bit bigger, this is where you change the whole process manually instead of using the AI. But obviously the AI is efficient, it's quicker, it's faster. So that's what I like about this workflow is it removes the biggest barriers for people to get started with AI ads. Most people don't struggle because they have no products or no ideas. They struggle because the process feels too complicated. They don't know what to use, they don't know what prompts to wire, and they don't have any structured ads. They definitely don't know how to edit stuff together. So Creatify's agent simplifies all of that for you. Instead of manually building every part of the ad, you can talk to the agent, give it a product link, and let it create the first version for you. That makes video ad creation a lot faster, efficient, and quicker, and just more accessible. So this is the biggest takeaway. Creating AI video ads does not have to be complex. You don't need a full production team, a creator, or just editing software for hours. So if you want to try this yourself, I'll leave the link to test Creatify down below. So if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe, like for more videos like this where I break down AI tool, ecom ads, and creative testing, and also drop down any questions in the comments. I'm always happy to answer any questions for you guys. I'm Joel, and I'll see you in the next one.